if west of India, if we see India as a country, then India is divided upon on north and south. This is what people say. North is considered as Hindi belt, whereas south is considered as non-Hindi belt. Okay, so Hindi speaking people, non-Hindi speaking. But if you go little beyond, then no one speaks Hindi in India. Everyone has its own language. But still, nowadays, North India people generally they tend to understand Hindi at least. So no Hindi region and non-Hindi region. Now you can divide. This is one way of dividing the India. You can divide India in the east and west part also, where the west part it is means you will find lot of you will not find lot of rivers in the west part of India, you lot of rivers you will not find, but in the east part of India, lot of rivers you will find. So east part of the India is rice cultivating area, whereas west part of the area India is maize and millet cultivating area. It's a dry region. So west part of India, that is western, that is Rajasthan, Haryana, Punjab, Maharashtra, Karnataka. So these are typically maize and millet cultivating area, whereas the eastern part of India or western Uttar Pradesh, eastern part of India like eastern Uttar Pradesh or Chhattisgarh, then Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and then Odisha, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Bangladesh, and then northeastern states. So these are mainly paddy cultivating area. Means the monsoon comes from the Bay of Bengal, and there are if monsoon comes, then there are tons of river. So eastern part of India full of river, then western part of India full of not rivers. Now, if I expand India to Indo subcontinent, Indus Indian subcontinent, then till Saudi Arabia, it is difficult to find river. So western in the Indo region, Indian subcontinent, river is sparse. You get desert kind of situation, dry region. Whereas if you go eastern part in Indo region, that is Burma, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, okay, and Vietnam. So Burma, Laos, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam. These kind of country. Then Mauritius, and then Malaysia. Okay. So Malay means this is what I came to know. Malaysia. Malay means in local language here also. In India, Malay means rain. Malaysia where it rains a lot. So, so eastern part in Indian subcontinent, that is touching the eastern part of India, is forest rich and river rich, very beautiful people. Okay, so eastern part of India, Indian subcontinent is rich in river system. So we are talking about Burma, Myanmar. So river system in Burma. Okay, so Burma has five. Burma is full in river. So what is good about the western part of the Indian subcontinent is that still transportation happens through river. Earlier, the Ganga River, the eastern part of Ganga, I mean from kind of Allahabad, now Prayagraj east, Banaras, and then Patna, and then Bhagalpur. So eastern part of India till it comes to Calcutta. So eastern part, and then in the Brahmaputra region. Eastern part of India, the transportation used to happen through the river system earlier. Now everywhere, now there is no elephant. Earlier the transportation used to happen through elephant and then through horse. So these are missing now. So only machine everywhere, petroleum based culture, night culture and machine culture. So only everywhere machine culture, railway and the trucks and trolley like this means full headache. But still, the eastern part of Indo region, that is Burma, still transportation is through river. So what are the rivers? Those are main in the Burma. So first comes is Ganga of Burma, means the backbone of the Burma, that is Irrawaddy River. So Irrawaddy River flows, it originates from Himalaya. So since it is the Indo region, north side everyone see Himalaya. So it is a Himalayan region. So north side of the Burma is Himalaya. And Ma Khui and Mai Khu, and Ma river. There are two rivers that originates from Himalaya and they meet each other and they make Irrawaddy river. So from north till full south, Rangoon, then it meets the Andaman Ocean. It's Irrawaddy River. So Burma is a Irrawaddy river system country. Full, around looks like 70% of the area. Catchment of the Burma it comes in Irrawaddy River basin. Full agriculture. So it is a kind of very powerful agricultural region that is, I believe Mandalay is the town and then Yangon is the town. So these are the famous places there and all are in the basin of Irrawaddy River. It is around 2,200 kilometer long, same as Ganga, around 2,600 kilometer. It is 2,200 kilometer, but it flows completely north to south with a good number of tributary rivers. Okay. Now this river has kind of good transportation, river transportation and good agriculture. So this is Irrawaddy River, backbone of Burma, but it originates in the Himalayan region of Burma. So this is Irrawaddy River. The second, the most important river in Burma is Salween River. Okay, so Salween River is a river that is very famous for lychee. So lychee is found in Bihar, Muzaffarpur region. Lychee that is sweet and a little bit citric. So that is lychee. So lychee is in Salween kind of catchment area, generally in Yunnan province. So Salween River. So Salween River, it originates north of Lhasa. Okay, I believe Tonkula mountain. So Tonkula mountain, from where this Salween River originates, 3,200 kilometers around. It's a long river. Then from Tibet, it enters Yunnan region of China. Okay, Tibet is also in China only now, but from Tibet region, it enters in Yunnan region of China. From Yunnan, then it enters Burma. From Burma, it flows, then for some time, it makes border with Burma and Thailand, then finally it flows in Andaman Ocean. So along the Burma and Thailand region, there is a thick teak forest. So Burma is a country which export teak, bamboo. So there is a teak forest. Okay, so this is Salween River, known for teak forest, lychee forest. So very precious river, and it connects Burma to China and Tibet. So very precious river, Salween River. If you have not seen the Salween River, then probably you have not seen any river. It is that beautiful. Then it is Mekong River, very powerful, an Indian subcontinent that is called from Turkey to Turkey to Philippines. So if I have used word Mauritius anytime, then it is Philippines. So from Vietnam, if you cross the Pacific Ocean little bit, then you will reach Philippines. So from the kind of from Turkey to Philippines, there are four major rivers in the Indian subcontinent: Bharati River, Indus, Brahmaputra region, and Mekong River. So Mekong River is also called River of King Rama. Means Ayodhya. It is sometimes it is called the Ayodhya is in Thailand. Still name is Ayodhya. So The Mekong River is the longest river among all the rivers, around 4,300 kilometers. It is the longest river and it originates from Qinghai province in China. Now, so Qinghai province is also called Greater Tibet. So it originates from Tibet one. Qinghai province. So it kind of originates from kind of one Lhasa Falls. Okay, so from there, so it originates and then Lhasa Springs. Okay, from there it originates and then it flows through Yunnan again and then enters the Burma. So it makes big border between Burma and Laos, and then Mekong River makes big border between Laos and Thailand. Then it enters Cambodia near Phnom Penh, that is the capital, and then it enters Vietnam, and finally it meets the Pacific Ocean or Indian Ocean. It is kind of both are there. So there it passes through their capital near Ho Chi Minh City, and there it empties in Pacific or Indian Ocean. So this is Mekong River. So Mekong River is known for biodiversity, and there is a heavy river system transportation in the Mekong. So Mekong is known as, the local meaning of Mekong is mother of water. So Mekong River is lifeline. So river is not only lifeline of the people in Burma, it is livelihood for the people also. Fishery and then full transportation, public transportation, and then other commercial transportation happens through the river, Mekong River. So Mekong River biodiversity, and there is something kind of catfish, large catfish, large turtle, and large kind of cindria or some name fish. So that fish, the age of the fish found is 112 years. One fish that survives 112 years. Okay, then this is Mekong, mighty Mekong River, the longest river in Indo subcontinent, river of King Ram. So it passes through kind of Thailand and Cambodia. So it is the region of King Rama, as it is called. Sometimes it is called Ayodhya. So there are dispute on the Ayodhya. Some people call Afghanistan Herat as Ayodhya being Harirud. Some people call Mekong, so that reason is Thailand is the Ayodhya. Then Mekong is the river of King Ram. Now the fourth river is Satluang River. The Satluang River, it flows kind of east to the Irrawaddy River. So there is a Pegu mountain that divides the separate the Satluang and Irrawaddy River. So the Satluang is known for its high tide and sharp water flow. It is not used for transportation, but teak, teak wood generally they are transported along the Satluang River to the downstream for commercial selling. So teak, the Burma, it kind of it exports. Okay, I keep forgetting. Okay, so fifth river is Chindwin River. Chindwin River. And okay, so Mekong River, it originates from Lhasa Gongma Spring, and then Chindwin River is tributary to Irrawaddy River, but it is famous because it is known for thick forest. So Chindwin River, if Irrawaddy River flows north to south, then from west side, from India side, Chindwin River, it connects to Irrawaddy River. It is 1,000 kilometer long river and full forest. Means if someone walks along the Chindwin River, he can see homes that is built by bamboo, and then bullock cart people use in the village for transportation. Means amazing. If there is somewhere heaven, then it is Burma. Means it is too beautiful. I can imagine how beautiful it would be. So Chindwin river, it is tributary to Irwadi river, and this is what they. So the fish I am talking is cyprine fish. Cyprine fish that is found in Mekong River, and it is known to have lived for 112 years. So Mekong River is kind of home to catfish, large big catfish, big turtles, and then this this fish. Okay, so this is kind of biodiversity seen cyprinid fish. This is biodiversity that is seen in the Mekong River. So Chindwin River, Mekong River, Satwang River, and then very top class Salween River and Irwadi River. So these are the main rivers, but tons, I say east is river system. So tons of rivers are there in Burma. But what is the problem nowadays? River water is going away. Pollution in the river is taking the control of the river system. So water is going down, rivers are polluted, industrial waste, and tons of river dam that are being built on rivers for electricity production and so many things. Mekong River, that is the lifeline of eastern part of Indian subcontinent. These five countries, then Mekong River, and then Yunnan province, and then Qinghai province. 370 dams, 370, not three dams. One dam is enough for a river. 370 dams on Mekong River has been built. One country is building hundreds of dams. 118 dams on Mekong in some Cambodia or somewhere. Means what do you think? Means if you do something nonsense when you have created it, then no one would say. Like if I have created this book, then I can tear it, burn it, write on it, whatever I can do. But things what you have not created, created by God, and it is required for civilization prosperity. Means river system is not only water system. The civilization they cultivate, civilization prosper along the river. Human live because of river, not only catching fish and transportation. They live along the river. Okay, the way we live with the air, sky, earth, the way we live with the river. It is required. Means I would see, our brain would sense that there is a river. It is required. So river, five things generally say that God has gifted to the people, and people must not interfere, like fire, and then soil, okay, water, and then air. So sky, air, soil, water, and fire. So five things God has given. Fire means the source of fire is considered as sun. Source of water, moon, is considered as source of water. The sky means universe, stars. They are the source of the sky. Earth is source of soil, and then air. Okay, so I believe the Maruti is the source of the air, whatever it is. So this is that, but this is the pathetic condition of anywhere the too many dams, they are killing the river system. Okay, I believe that human would sense it, and then it would lessen the diseases it is catching day by day. Means death is acceptable. Death is acceptable, but I won't improve improve anyway. So this is river system in Burma. If you visit Burma, then please visit at least Salween River. That is considered as the most beautiful river among all the rivers.